Welcome back to Minute Vocabulary for your busy brain. Up next is a pair that gives a tiny detail, but a single space changes how each word functions in a sentence. I am talking about a while, one word, versus a while, two words. Let's break down the trick so we will never mess this up again. Okay, there you are. A while versus a while. A while, one word, is an adverb meaning for a short time, and it usually comes after a verb it modifies. For examples, wait a while, rest a while. A while, two words, is a noun phrase meaning a period of time, and it usually comes after a preposition for, in, or after. For example, for a while, in a while, after a while. How to hear the difference using your ear as your guide, of course. A while, one word, never follows a preposition, but usually comes after a verb. So, to say sit and rest for a while, this is almost saying sit and rest for a short time, because the preposition for is already a part of the meaning of the word a while. So, correct is sit and rest a while. A while, two words, comes after a preposition for, in, or after. And you can mentally swap the word with the word sometime. For example, she's going to rest for a while. She's going to rest for some time. Now, for practice quiz. Test your ear on the difference between a while and a while. Remember, you can use sometime to replace a while. 1. Which of the following sentences correctly uses the adverb a while? 1. I haven't seen him for a while. She will call you in a while. We can talk a while before the meeting starts. Please write your answer, type your answer on our comment section. 2. Which of the following sentences correctly uses the noun phrase a while? 1. Come on, let's talk a while. It happens once in a while. He plans to stay a while before leaving. Thank you very much for staying with me, and I will see you all again in our next series of Minute Vocabulary for Busy Brains as we fix another super common grammar mix-up. Thank you again. See you next vlog.